TV.
Kwa mbele ni jatend migao mar arita kwe Kithure Kindiki ogolo siem ne jonjore ma osebedo ka sando oganda e gwenge mag Nyanduat mar Kenya. Kindiki mane oloso kane otimo limbe gwenge mag Kakuma owacho ni piny owacho koro keto mahino e tieko jonjore kendo neno ni jopiny oyudo kwe. Kindiki bende nogolo siem ne jogo ma osebedo ka siro kweth mag njore e yor mag omenda to kod ji ma miyogi gige lweny bende.
Speaker wetu wa Turkana County Assembly nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Doing well. We have a population of 20 is here, SIPU is here. We have KDF, the sub-county police commander.
For those who engage in killing other people, taking their livestock, we will make it extremely painful for them. I want to warn the criminals. Please reform before it is too late. And we are going to dismantle the chain of banditry and cattle rustling from top to bottom. The financial, the spiritual leader, the gangs themselves, those who plan, those who execute, those who aid and abet the criminals to get away with people's livestock and people's property. We will neutralize them. We will make it impossible for this business to continue. And I will stay in this part of the country as long as it is possible, until this part of the country is free.